My name is Kathleen Thompson. People call me Kat. I'm an attorney here at Dixie Law Group. For me, what brought me here is alignment. I've always believed that where you practice is as important as how you practice. Dixie has a reputation for working closely with clients, pushing cases forward when necessary, and actually trying those cases. It excites me to work with attorneys that have that mindset. I started my career in the Eastern District of Kentucky working for a federal magistrate judge. That is where I received incredible insight into how judges think and what really matters when it's decision time. I then worked with the U.S. Department of Justice as an assistant U.S. attorney for several years, working on complex crime and drug conspiracies. That's where I learned how to build a case and what evidence really matters. I chose to switch to personal injury law because I wanted to represent people who needed an advocate, but they didn't choose to be a part of the legal system. They didn't choose to be negligently harmed by others. I believe a client should never worry about asking their attorney a question. It is part of our job to make sure they understand what's going on. They want an attorney who will be honest with them, take time to explain things they don't understand, and make sure that they know the strengths, the weaknesses, and the true realities of their case. People are often surprised to learn that I am visually impaired. I have a visual condition called achromatopsia, which means that I don't see color, not even gray. I am extremely sensitive to sunlight, can't drive, and legally speaking, am blind. I have never let this be an impediment in my life. I've always chosen to view it as a strength. I believe I see things others miss, and I'm able to empathize with clients, especially those who now may be physically impaired or dealing with limitations they may have never expected. I have a toddler, so my time is often spent at home or maybe at the park, but at this point, I spend a lot of time with my husband and my little girl. I know that this time is fleeting, so we try to appreciate the little things. There's a lot of just quiet time, and that's okay. The why that keeps me motivated in this line of work is accountability. Whether it be a car wreck, a complex medical error, you can almost always identify a failure point where somebody didn't pay attention to detail or there is a responsibility that wasn't met. I am honored to be in the line of work where I can help identify that failure point and make sure that there is accountability where accountability is due. I can't wait to keep working on cases and making a difference in people's lives.